Welcome to our YouTube channel. Are you curious about how to allow the followers you follow to create stickers from your TikTok videos? In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to enable this feature. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on those lines to access the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Privacy. Step 6. Scroll down until you find the Interactions category and tap on Stickers. Step 7. In the Stickers settings, select Followers that follow back to allow the followers you follow to create stickers from your TikTok videos. Please note that to use this feature, ensure that your TikTok account is not set to private. If your account is currently private, you'll need to switch it to public to enable the followers you follow to create stickers. By following these simple steps, you can give your followers the opportunity to create stickers from your TikTok videos, fostering creativity and engagement on the platform. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the interactive experience on TikTok.